Racing, Giants started with 12 or never break, quick letter start, moving upon a young side, fell back, then followed by quick play, alongside comes McKissick on a post, while Terrible Friend is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have 12 or never, fell back is on a young side, then followed by McKissick, quick play, moving up down on the inside is on a post, while Terrible Friend is in behind them, half-mile distance they traveled. We have fell back, moves up by about 2 lengths, 12 or never drops back in second, down in third we have McKissick, on a post comes next Terrible Friend, while quick play now running at the tail of the field. Another far turn, we have fell back by about 2 lengths, 12 or never still in second, McKissick still in third, on a post comes next Terrible Friend, while quick play is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have fell back, moving up now to take second is McKissick, 12 or never comes next on a post, then followed by Terrible Friend, and they are now entering the home stretch. Fall back, McKissick is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. Fall back, McKissick is down on the inside. Fall back, McKissick, but fall back now doing the better over McKissick. Then comes 12 or never on a post. Terrible